All right, we all heard the stories of somebody saying they put a can of beans in the fire to heat up and didn't pop the top and it exploded. And today we're going to find out if that's true and how long it takes to explode and what the blast radius is. And I don't have a can of beans, but I have a can of spinach, which, if any vegetable needs to be exploded, it's a can of spinach. Also have some expired pumpkin pie filling that my wife donated. She said, throw this out. I said, throw it out? Hell, I'll throw it in the fire. All right, let's see what happens. The lid blew off the spinach and it made a loud explosion popping. The lid flew into my neighbor's yard. The pumpkin can is probably about 30 feet away, and it flew in about 20 feet in the air. Not a scrap left of pumpkin in it, so it didn't. Alright, the pumpkin pie filling took less than a minute to explode. The spinach took a little over 3 minutes to explode. The blast radius is around 30 feet. The pumpkin pie can shot up about 20 feet in the air. So yeah, don't throw a can in the fire without popping the top. Little tip from me to you.